Today we are going over the ANRAN solar-powered security camera with floodlights, the F1 Pro. Taking a look at the box, this shows you what it is, where it's from, and what is included. But I will go over that more in a second. Now this will give you a rundown of what it can do, such as 100% wire-free for easy setup, PTZ control for 360-degree view, built-in speaker and microphone, weather-resistant, put up to a 128GB SD card, 5-watt solar panel, siren and spotlights, motion detection, color night vision, and multiple user capabilities. Let's get it unboxed and see what you get. First up is a pretty good quick start guide, which we will go over more in a minute. Comes with a direct connect solar panel, which will keep the battery charged. It has a 1/4 screw hole for the mounting. Has a warning sticker, and comes with mounting hole stickers, which are nice for ease of mounting both camera unit and solar panel. It comes with a USB-C charging cable, and I suggest charging it up first. It is packaged well and also comes with stainless steel screws for the mounting brackets, then the camera unit, which feels nice and solid with LED floodlight. And finally, the mounting brackets. These are the Wi-Fi antennas. They do suggest making sure you get at least 85% signal strength. The camera has a 355-degree pan and a 90-degree tilt. On the bottom, remove the weatherproof plug to insert an SD card up to 128GB. This also has the power button and reset button. Hey everyone, we are almost there, getting to 30,000 subscribers, and with your help, we'll make it. So if you're not subscribed, now would be a great time to do so. Thanks everyone. The antennas and floodlights are adjustable on this unit, which is nice for dialing it in. The camera bracket has a couple nubs or pegs that go into the camera mounting surface. It helps the ease of installation. You can mount the camera two ways. First is to the soffit or ceiling. Flip the bracket around and mount on the wall instead. Be sure you put the wire in the void not to damage it. Hooking up the solar panel is as easy as it gets. Just plug it into each other, tighten down the waterproof collar. That's it. Using the provided stickers to align the bracket screw holes make it so easy, as I will show you shortly. The stickers will come in handy to be sure you get the mounting bracket level. Next, you can screw in the solar panel mount in and remove the base for mounting later. The solar panel does seem solid, and I'm pretty sure it will take the abuse from strong winds and weather. The quick start guide is laid out very well with all the information to get it up and running fast and easy. Use your phone to get the app from either one of the QR codes here. Once installed on your phone, you can finish the setup. But don't worry, I will show how easy it is. You will need to sign up for an account with them, but it's free. Next, at the bottom of the camera, you want to power it up by holding the power button for a few seconds. You will hear a tone. Next, do the same to the reset button. Just a reminder, if you are installing an SD card, be sure to insert it prior to power up. You will see the red light come on then blink, but that's normal. Okay, now continue with the app to mate the camera to the phone. When you see the big QR code on your phone. Like this, just hold it up to the camera, 5 to 8 inches away. You will hear a tone again, which means you're all set. Now, click Done. You can now mount the camera, but I suggest you do the rest of the setup on the bench here, just to be sure everything works before you go climbing on ladders. It will acquire the signal, and you should see the camera working on your phone. I then check the movements of the camera now as I tilt and pan around. Yeah, it looks good and clear with nice smooth motions. Check your floodlights now to be sure they are working properly. It has a two-way real-time audio and even works with Alexa. You can also use the siren function. It's not all that loud, but it is a pretty good deterrent anyways. Okay, let's get it installed now. I chose the corner of the house using the stickers I pre-drilled with a 6mm drill bit. and then installed the bracket with the provided screws. Once tight, I can now mount the camera unit using a screwdriver so as not to over-tighten. Now you can adjust the lights and antennas. Now you can mount the solar panel the same way, being sure to mount it where you will get the most sunlight. I want this to fit right under the roofing. Now connect the wire and put the excess out of the way. You can go through the setting and make your adjustments to fit your needs, and there are a lot of them here, and pretty much self-explanatory. Now, let's check out how it works. This is daytime and has a very nice picture. Next, I will move the camera around to get the best position. This is how dark it is now. Take a look at the night vision. This is without any lights on, and you can see really well. Now when the sensor catches the human-type subject, the lights come on and you get an excellent image. As you see, it sends an alarm notice to your phone. I hope you enjoyed this and what's coming up. Please subscribe and like this video if you would. We would appreciate it.